So, am I going to McDonald's?
If you guys would like McDonald's, sure.
No, I don't need it.
I don't even.
Not this early. So Braden and I are headed to Tennessee, Memphis, to go pick up a car that we bought to bring back. And then Ashley and Luke are headed down to San Diego for an undisclosed reason. And they should be back today, and Braden and I should be back, we're hoping, by Monday. And so it's 5:47 in the morning.
We're 17 minutes behind.
We are 17 minutes behind, but I'm sure we can make that up. We'll be just fine.
We'll come back with the dog.
We love you. Will. Hey, you be careful, okay? I love you. All right, so Braden and I are at the airport. Ash just dropped us off. Ash and Luke. We gotta find our flight. Okay, Braden, we're going to Houston, Hobby Field. Okay, we're looking for flight 461. Oh, right there, 461. 461, Houston Hobby Field, 9:55 is on time. It's at gate 15. You see that? See the gate up there? Gate 15? That's where we're going, gate 15. All right, so we're gonna go through security. Okay, so Braden and I just made it through security, and they had to check Braden's hands for bombs because he alarmed. So they swabbed his hands because, you know, he looks like a bomb maker. So now we're in, and we're headed to what, gate
15.
Gate 15. So we're headed to gate 15.
Okay.
All right, so Braden and I are walking through the airport, and we're trying to figure out what to eat. And we're looking at this place, and Braden says,
Yeah.
I don't know, I just saw Chick-fil-A.
And so we have to get Chick-fil-A.
So we're getting Chick-fil-A for breakfast. We do love Chick-fil-A breakfast.
Chick-fil-A.
Look, it's Chick-fil-A. Right. And we don't even have to worry about what we're going to eat, because we already know.
This is where I live. This is my territory. This is mine and Mom's territory.
There you go. Do you know that I asked your mom to marry me in this airport?
No.
I did. I was flying back to North Carolina. And we were over by the window. I don't remember what terminal it was, this one or the next one. And I knelt down and I asked her to marry me, and she picked me up. She didn't want me kneeling down. She was embarrassed.
That sounds like Mom.
Yeah.
To be placed underneath the seat
Here we
in front
are.
of you.
We got on the plane, and we're supposed to push back in 7 minutes. I don't think we're gonna make it, but we're on the very last seat of the airplane, so you get to see the wing. Braden gets to watch
ladies and
that.
gentlemen, if you find yourself in the
All this
aisle,
Braden and I made it to Houston. We're at Hobby Field in Houston. And Braden just said much less busy than LAX. Definitely much busier, less busy than LAX. So we're gonna get something to eat, try and find our next gate, and wait until 5 o'clock. It's currently 3:20. So this is what we're doing. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's right. It says 7 p.m. Is that right? 7 p.m.? Gate 45. Let's find gate 45. It goes down to 32 that way. Oh, it's that way. Way that way. Right. 7 o'clock, that means we're gonna wait 5 hours. Not just 2 hours. That's not cool. Alright, that'll give us plenty of time to do some schoolwork, to call the hotel in Memphis. Okay, so here we are. We've peed, we've eaten, we've talked to Mom, and our flight has arrived. And so now we are.
Very important part. Always talk to Mom when you're traveling.
And always pee. And we should be boarding in about, I don't know, half an hour.
Like 20 minutes.
20 minutes? Okay. Braden and I are we're the only 2 passengers that are staying on board the aircraft, so we got like first class service.
We're not locals.
We're not locals. So anyway, we are getting off the plane to go walk around for about 45 minutes, and then we'll be back home. Mm-hmm. So we are in Dallas. So we are in our hotel room here in Memphis, and from the looks of the town last night as we drove through it, Memphis is a pretty scary place. So we're going to hoof it over to the dealership and see what we bought.
This guy, but nobody on this one.
Okay. Okay, so checked out. Taking a little walk. Looks like it's cold outside.
It does.
All right, so it's like 8:30 in the morning.
It's like 9 actually.
Is it? Is it that late?
Yeah.
It was kind of hard to get out of bed this morning. So Braden and I are. Oh, it's 8:34. We're walking from that hotel over there to the Toyota dealership, which is actually right there. but we gotta walk around. And yeah, so let's go through this parking lot. So interesting thing about Memphis, Tennessee is in every parking lot that you drive by, especially in the middle of the night, they have surveillance systems with blue flashing lights on the top. So you're pretty sure that Memphis is ghetto. And well, it was a little interesting last night. We got an Uber to the hotel room, which was a new experience for the both of us. We don't Uber. So we made it to the hotel room and we slept really good. I slept pretty good. Got up this morning, took a nice hot shower, and now we're gonna walk into the Toyota dealer and hopefully we didn't buy some piece of crap. So Braden and I are just discussing our vehicle. He gives it a thumbs up. I'm not so sure. Oh, here comes the finance guy. Okay, so Braden and I have picked up the vehicle. And we just made a Target run. And we've got a bunch of road snacks. We got ourselves some breakfast and some waters and some vitamin waters. And now we're heading out.
Till lunchtime.
To lunchtime.
Bum, bum.
So we got our Chick-fil-A. We're walking back to the car. And the guy who gave us our Chick-fil-A asked Braden if he could have his grilled club because he says it's his favorite. And I said, well, maybe he could have half or just a bite, and Braden wasn't taking the deal.
Yeah.
So Braden didn't want none of that. So anyway, we're walking back to the car. We'll get back on the road. Alright, so here we are, Brandon and I. It is Sunday morning, and we're in Shamrock, Texas. We had a good night's sleep, and now a good night's shower. And we're going to get in the car and head west.
Head west. Dun, dun, dun.
So here's our hotel room in Shamrock, Texas. And it's foggy outside, so we'll see. Braden, he's going with the bagel. I'm going with the Texas-shaped waffle. It is very cold and wet outside, so we're praying for safe travels. And oh, I forgot we need to get gas. We'll take care of that right now.
It's 39 degrees out.
probably mud. It's pretty muddy here. Uber driver says it rains a lot.